Y'all, so I don't know what happened yesterday when I was screen recording. I went through, started putting money where it needed to go because that's how it was on my piece of paper, which I will show you all. And somehow it was like the previous month account ended up with the wrong amount of money, even though, for some accounts I did end up putting the wrong amount, but it was just terrible. So after automotives, that was the reason you all did not see anything else. So I'm going to show you what things look like now. So for the core account, it does have $265, and that is for the month of May. YouTube is still 26 because that's the amount that I sent over last month. Next, for the previous month save, I still have $165, and I am possibly going to need to use that when I go on this trip to Michigan. For March Madness, it still has $37, which I may go ahead and use that $37 for this trip as well. Next, we have Save for the Things You Want. It has $83. So that means I did add, let's see, Save for the Things You Want. I added $27 to make it $53. For the hold on, wait, that's just tax money, y'all. So that tax money has been sitting there since sometime in February. And until I put it where it needs to go, it's probably going to stay there. Next, we have the 2025 Thank Goodness It's Friday challenge from Chris. I did end up adding $58 to make $283. And of course, I will show the challenges at the end. We have 304 for Sophie. So I did give myself a nice chunk of change, but I did just also order some things in bulk sizes, so some of that money is going to be gone. Next, we have the Blessed Ladies challenge, which I did add. I added $25, which I will show. Next, we have Christmas. I did add $60 for Christmas. Bonus a home to go to yet, so it's just been sitting there for months. Healthcare, I did add $100 to make it $240. Special occasion, I did add $100 and we completed T-Man's challenge, so I will show that. Next, we have Bestie's Wedding. I did do this one with you all, and then I added, I think, $20. So let me just check. 20 bucks. Yes. I had, wait a minute. May end up taking $20 out of this and put it somewhere else. When it comes to the cruise, I did add $120, and then I went back and added, I think, $12 or $18 or something like that. For family ties, I did add $30 to make $50. Home long-term savings fund, I did not add anything. For the quarterback, I did add $100. For auto fund, I did end up just putting in $150 since it did not have anything, and any extra change did go to Allie. Stop this recording since I've showed you and just okay. So here is my paper that looks like scratch paper, so I'm going to rewrite everything out. And I don't know what happened yesterday. It was like everything froze when it comes to Allie, but this is how it was supposed to look. And then once I realized everything was messed up the next day, I just decided to say, hey, let's just put money here, put money there. So I'm going to show you that now. Hold on. So I went ahead and completed T-Man Savings Challenge for Mother's Day. I added $100 to my Special Occasions Challenge, of course, for Mother's Day. Go ahead and complete the monthly challenge for April. And everybody's name will be listed below, and here's everybody's name right here. And we're just saving $25, or however you feel. If you want to save $1 or 50 cents, you April. So I went ahead and colored everything for April, and I always get confused when it comes to the even and odd with it being on the weekend. So this one was supposed to be, oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right. So here are the instructions that I read 1,000 times and still end up messing things up. But this is what it looks like overall. So we are done with April. And I did go ahead and add everything up. So 73 divided by 2 minus 10 is $26.50, which I did set aside $27 for. Stay tuned for the giveaway. Of course, this is for the month of May. The giveaway is for Barbie's birthday bash. If you haven't seen the videos from all of these lovely ladies, which this time will be linked below. So I mentioned about a giveaway, and I am going to talk about that now. So for the giveaway, today is, you know what? Since it's already 6 in the evening, I'm going to edit this video and put it out for tomorrow, for Friday. And what I'll do is give the code word, which I am going to put right here. So put this code word in the comments if you would like to participate. And don't just put the code word. You can say, hey, great video, blah, 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 or something like that. So you must be following everybody, and I'm going to have everybody linked below. And since Barbie is going to do the giveaway, I believe she's going to announce the giveaway winners. So go ahead and put the keyword in, and when she announced the winners, I'll probably end up announcing the winner as well on that day. So the end of the month on the 30th, I'm not mistaken. So put the giveaway word, and I want you to follow everyone that is linked below. Make sure you are a public subscriber. Now they have it. Hold on. Okay, so I was just thinking. So let's do the giveaway from the 9th. And let's have it to go all the way to the 20th. Give me time to make the video, since it is about to be Mother's Day weekend, and I am also going out of town with my friend as well. So we definitely want to have enough time. So from Friday the 9th of May until the 23rd, and what I'll do is announce the winner on the 22nd. So from the 9th to the 22nd, and I think I just said that backwards. So from the 9th until the 22nd, and I'll announce the winner on the 23rd, and it will be a $20 Cash App. If you want a $20 gift card, just let me know. We'll talk about that in the comments. But this right here is the keyword. Don't forget to follow everybody. I know what I wanted to show you all. Hold on. So I went back to my recent video, and now there is an option where you can click on public subscriber. So now you see how everybody is publicly subscribed to my channel. And if I exit off of it, it's a couple of more people. But what I'm going to do is go to the comments, check for the keyword, and click on the option for public subscriber, and then I'll base the winner off of that. So make sure that you are publicly subscribed, and also make sure that you are subscribed to everyone that's in this list, which again I will make sure that everyone is linked below. But other than that, happy month of May, y'all. Happy savings. Have a great rest of your day. And y'all, we do not have any more overtime. Like, it's gone completely, except for what's in my schedule until the 23rd. So until the 23rd, I will be working overtime. After that, I just need to adjust. So we went over the giveaway, which the word is right here. We talked about T-Man's challenge, which I completed. I love that, by the way. We talked about my April save for the things you want. And now we're focused on the month of May. And also, we talked about the April challenge for 2025 to save $5 each week, or $25 a month. Now that those challenges are over with, I'm going to focus on attempting to finish up this challenge. I also need to finish up the mini challenges that I completed. Well, not completed, but the mini challenges that I did a couple weeks ago. So the challenges that are in the book that I got from Tess, I need to finish those. And y'all, I just realized if you really want to save some money, hide it from yourself. Hide it from yourself. Hide it from yourself. Thank you so much again for this test. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.